All right, so we're doing a partnership with this company, and I need their logo. Fortunately, go down here. It doesn't really look like they have a press page or something like that. And the ones on Twitter are, they're usually square. So, like, we'll say I pull up Twitter, it's just going to be a square logo. That's not really going to do it for me. But what is nice is that I see that that is their brand color, which is good. There's also purple on the site here. So try to grab this. It's not a PNG, it's just an SVG. So here's what I usually do for SVGs. I open up my inspector, hover over the SVG, and find the SVG object here, and I copy the entire element. Now, the best way to take care of this is to say, well, I guess first I need to. This is not a .svg. This is just an SVG element. So what I usually do is I open up VS Code or something like that, paste this in, save it. I just save it to my desktop and call it. Remind me what the name of this company is. ACAMICA. Okay, then I'll save that as a .svg. Save it. Cool. Now, that's not going to do the trick. I know from experience that it's just going to show up, but we've got another step in the process here. I open up that SVG file and Sketch. So the Sketch will process it. Sketch will update this later. Sketch will process it and then allow me to export it again, and it appends all kinds of great stuff that's useful to the web in export. So grab it here, open it up. Copy all the shapes. I'm going to go back to the website and find that brand color somewhere on the page here so I can grab it. Perfect. It's the color of the text here. So you see when I hovered over this, it's 5500FF. Back to Sketch. In the fills, 5500FF. Perfect. Let me go back to the site and make sure that that looks about right. Looks pretty good to me. Great. Okay. So I'm going to now select this entire SVG and click Make Exportable, and just export it as an SVG. Actually, in this case, I don't need it as an SVG. I need it as a PNG. But if I did need the SVG, I could just save it as SVG out of here. It would save the colors. It would append a view box and all kinds of helpful stuff. That's great. In this case, I actually need it as a PNG. So I will probably pop it up to 2x and export it. Perfect. Done. All right. Actually, let me show what that looks like. There we go. Nice transparent background PNG.